Hi everyone, this is week 11 and you should be turning in your research essay today. If you need an extra day or two, that's okay, but do let me know. I don't want you to get behind though because we're already starting our last project for this semester, which is a multimodal project. I have submitted a small amount of media for you to read this week. Notably, there's a media bias chart that's really interesting to help us understand the biases that underlie our news. And then I also included a fun reading that includes additions to the dictionary to show the way that media is always changing. And that's really important to our last project, which is a multimodal project. I've included the assignment here. So for this last project, you're going to identify a project related to your career area of interest and develop a multimodal project to help the reader understand what's at stake. This can be, but doesn't have to be related to the second essay that you're finishing up today, but it should be clearly focused on the community you live in. I want you to pick something you're really interested in and are going to have fun reading about and writing about for the next few weeks. You'll have at least 4 sources of information. 2 should be scholarly sources, and at least 2 should be local sources of information, like an interview from a local expert or an observation of the problem, something that happens firsthand. The length of your presentation should be roughly equivalent to a 5-page research paper. I know that's complicated, so if you have ideas, let me know, but I think it's important for us to notice that the way we share information is changing, and it's increasingly becoming more visual, and I want you to really think about the best way that you can show the problem that you're working on. So some ideas might be a podcast, a slideshow with a voiceover, a traditional academic paper with infographics, a video, a song, a voice thread. There's lots of possibilities. Your work should reference source material and provide APA-style reference page documenting your research. You can include that as part of the presentation or in a separate file. I really encourage you to think outside the box about ways you might show the reader why your topic is important. I put 2 sample projects here, not for you to evaluate, but just to kind of peruse and see some possibilities that you might consider. Of course, you'll see more possibilities in the small and large group workshops as well. So I've already uploaded the large group workshop assignment that we'll be working on next week. So if you turn in your paper and you're ready to get moving on the next one, you can go ahead and check out these 2 projects I've uploaded for the next large group workshop. So you're kind of in the brainstorming phase now about what you want to work on for the next project and how you might want to deliver that. I hope everyone's well. Make sure you keep in touch and let me know if you have any questions.